as a busy parent, when I wanted to find a way to make an income from home, I didn't know there was another option. And here's what I mean. I used to pay monthly expenses, right? And then when I discovered that in the digital world, you could actually build a fully automated, rejection-free business without any monthly expenses. That was the game changer for me. So I literally get to keep 100% of the profit. My system has no monthly expenses. And as a parent, that's very important because you're trying to work from home, work online, build your own online business to make money, not spend money. So I'm sharing this with you. There is a better way. You can literally launch and grow your own online business without any monthly expenses. Like literally, I had one-time investment, and that was to get the automated system and to learn attraction marketing, learn digital marketing, learn how to build my email list. And I was able to learn and earn at the same time. Applying the skills that I learned, and I was able to attract daily paying customers. So if you want free access to the exact system that I follow, put blueprint in the comments and I'll give you the blueprint details.